everyone, thanks for joining my channel. You know what? I am feeling a lot better today. I have not been in a good place this past week. You probably even noticed while we were celebrating our 500 subscribers, I had to reach down to the depths of my soul to muster up enough energy to celebrate. So I am feeling a little bit better. And so hopefully that will show in the videos that I do moving forward. Today I had my mind all set to do like holiday slash, not holiday, like spring holiday, Easter-ish type outfit ideas. And then when I left the dentist today, I decided I needed some retail therapy. And guess what I found? A new suit. So I've been looking, as you guys know, for a new suit for the longest. And it just wasn't coming together for me. I have the list of things that I want to buy for 2019, and of those things, I think I have like 5 things left, and I'm trying to remember what they are. Like the suit, 2 pairs of boots, I think patent leather boots, gray boots, Birkenstock sandals, and something else. I have no idea what. But I've been struggling with the rest of those items. And the suits, I've been teetering between getting something that's like trendy, like a pastel suit, or something that's classic that I can wear forever, regardless of what the trend is, both in a professional setting as well as casually. And I went to Express, and they were having a 40% off everything sale. And I looked up on the perfect balance between trying to pay homage to the 2019 spring trend, as well as keeping it professional and getting a versatile piece and basically getting more out of my money. So what I got was this blue suit. So it sort of looks like denim, but is very much not a denim suit. Depending on how close you are, it could look gray, it could look blue, but it is a blue, very denim looking like suit. It's very sleek on, very I would say fashion forward on, and it fits me very well. So I got it in like different sizes actually. I got the blazer in a 00, but then I got the pants in a 0 short, because I usually always have to get my pants tailored so that they're short enough for me. So I did get the pants a little bit bigger to accommodate for all of this. But, you know, upper part, I've always sort of remained slim or slender up top. So I got the smallest size. I did try this on before I purchased it. This was $128 for the blazer and then $79 for the bottoms. But then with the 40% off of the whole, you know, everything, the whole suit came out to like $124 and like some change or something like that. So I am very excited about this piece. I'm going to style this for you a few ways at the end, but I'm a fan. I am a fan, and I thought that because I scored and I won, basically I feel like my checklist is a competition. It's almost like a treasure hunt in a way. And I felt like I had gained a point, and I was really excited about that. So I felt like I wanted to share that with you above and beyond sharing with you how to get dressed for Easter dinner. So let's get right into some of the looks. Let me know some of your thoughts, and I'm going to end it with that. Thanks for watching.